The next one is the fourth one, pest resistant crops. That is called BT technology, pest resistance crop. And for that we have examples like BT cotton, we have BT brinjal, and then we have BT maize, right? So these all are pest resistance. The most famous pest resistant technology is called BT technology. The BT cotton is the only crop that we are growing in India, you know that. And what we have done with the BT cotton, so normally normal cotton, it's a normal cotton. Normal cotton is always, under threat of the pest attack, and it is attacked by something called pink bollworm. What we call it? Pink bollworm. So pink bollworm is cotton pest. Once this attack is there on a cotton plantation, then productivity will go to zero. Nothing will be there. Because this pink bollworm will, it will bore through the fruits and it will damage the plant so much that cotton flowers will not be able to produce any cotton. That is why in a cotton producing states, these cotton cultivators were under acute pressure because cotton plantation requires a lot of money input. And then even putting a lot of money and a lot of pesticides, sometime it would fail. And once the cotton plantation has failed, then there is a huge pressure, monetary pressure onto the farmers. And there has been cases of suicides very high in the cotton producing states, right? Second thing, farmer suicide was one of the issues. Second, to deal with the pest attack, that is bollworm attack, the farmers would use very large amount of pesticide, very unscientifically. And that has created a lot of problem at the level of environmental damage and human health also for that matter, because it goes to the, food chain and water cycle, and then it comes to us, right? And you know that in India, pesticides application is very unscientific, very, very unscientific, because it's written onto the box itself that what should be the dose. They say that 15 liter of water, and then in the 15 liter of water, you have to use the one pouch of it or one box of it. But farmers say that, and that this agrochemicals come at the very cheaper rate. Iska koi bahut zyada rate bhi nahi hota. So they will buy two. Instead of buying one, they will buy two because they have a notion that more pesticide, more better management of the pest. लेकिन वो एक से भी हो जाता. But we have that notion that थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल देते हैं. This agrochemical shop, they will sell 3. They will say कि 2 से क्या होगा? You take 3. Because in an agrochemical shop, there are certain dynamics goes on. And the dynamics is that they have to meet the target annually. And once you meet the target, let's say if you have a sale of 5 lakh rupee of a particular pesticides, a particular agrochemical, then company will sponsor a trip to Goa. That can only be availed when you meet that target. You get my point? So company will say that I'll invite you in a conference in Goa, right? If you are able to make a sale of around 20 lakh rupees in a year, then they will invite you to the Thailand, right? So ऐसे करके वो lure करते हैं. Obviously, in that way, what will happen? They will push the thing, and that was damaging environment at the very fast pace. So what they have done, they added some gene into the cotton, and the cotton gene that was Cry1AB, Cry1AB and Cry2AB. So these 2 genes were added into it. These genes are coming from Bacillus thuringiensis. That is why it is called BT, right? Bacillus thuringiensis is again a soil bacteria. It's a soil bacteria. So soil bacteria Bacillus thuringiensis, we got this 2 gene out. And once we added this 2 gene into the cotton genome, what we got is Bt cotton.